I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed. I'm here today to talk about flow screed prices. We're often asked, what is the price? Can you give us a ballpark? I just need to know so I can see whether it's something I can put into my project. First of all, it's not that easy to do from the point of view that there's lots of variable costs. So rather than just give prices that may be inaccurate, we tend to avoid giving a ballpark figure. But what I want to do today is attempt to, because I realise that it has importance, and it's probably good just to know roughly what the costs are. So I'm going to attempt to do that, but just put it into context with what the variable costs are, so you can get a more of a robust feel to what those prices are going to be like. So first of all, if you're looking at the location first, the location of your project and location in relation to where the plant is. So the nearer you are to the plant, the cheaper the product, because the further the ready-mix company has got to haul the product, then the cost will go up. So if you're 1 radial away, it's a little bit cheaper. If you're 25 radials away, obviously the price goes up. The cost of the material for the manufacturers is very important too, and obviously will affect the cost. So if we're looking at the basics, which are the sand and the binder, the sand needs to be of a particular grading and quality, which isn't always available locally. So sometimes they have to ship them in, and that can be 50, 60, 70 miles as opposed to, perhaps 5, 10, 15. So with particular sands, the price may go up, and with the anhydrite binder, depending on where the plant is located, the price will be affected how far it's coming from the binder manufacturer, of which there is currently 2 main suppliers within the UK, so depending where the plant is located. So locality will affect the price of the material in terms of manufacture and delivery as well. So size of the project is going to be a big contributor to the price per square metre, because what you can actually do with this product is you can lay up to 1,500, 2,000 square metres, so the productivity is tremendous. So you can see that you're maximising the laying capacity of the team. So that means larger projects, the price per square metre, the cost comes down. For smaller projects, say if you was looking at a typical house at around about 100 square metres, then you're looking at a higher price per square metre. So lower volume, higher price per square metre, higher area, lower price per square metre. The depth of the screed will also be a factor in as well, so the amount of material that you're looking for. So typically a screed depth for the flow screed will be 50 mil. So at 50 mil, you're looking at those prices, the sort of, you're going to be looking at these generic prices. If you're looking at a 75 mil screed, then that's 50% more material, so the price will go up. So based on a 50 mil screed, and at the larger end of the volume, you'd be looking around about £10 per square metre. So that's £10 square metre for projects 1,000 metres plus, because you're utilising the labour, you're maximising, totally the day. If you come down to the 100 metre end, then you're looking at a rate of around about £16 per square metre. So £16 a metre. If you then was to look at something like a 50 square metre job, the price would increase again. So you might be looking at something like 25, 26, 27 pounds a square metre for something like 50 square, because the delivery is going to be part loaded, so it's not going to be full to capacity when the truck is delivering the material, and you'll still pay for the full haulage based on the fact that it's, the costs are still there, the cost for the truck, the cost for the driver to bring it out. you're looking at the labour costs are a fixed cost. So again, this is all being divided into a smaller area. So I hope that's been of use. I hope you can use that and see whether it's something that is something that you can use within your project. If you need any further information, please let us know. If you need a more accurate quotation, then please get in touch. Thank you.